There is a new way to playing video games where you don't play them at all. Instead, it's just collecting characters, objects, and items that you can resell in a few months for 10, 100, or even 1000 times the original prices. Yes, that's crazy. I am talking about blockchain games, the new way to enchant video games. You visit a website, connect your wallet, and you are ready to purchase and resell anything in the game. And with the help of the blockchain, everything is kept on track and under control, so you are also protected. It's newbie friendly. You can do this from all over the world, and you can do this in 10-20 minutes per week. At the moment I am shooting this video, there is millions of people are taking advantage of blockchain games, and the more people there are, the better for you. You can purchase those items during a drop, paying them low, and immediately resell them when the drop is closed. Those items are limited in number. Trading blockchain games items is so easy. So today I present to you Blockchain Games Empire. So in this review I will show you what is Blockchain Games Empire, the pros and cons, and how you can make money online with this product. So first, what is Blockchain Games Empire? Blockchain Games Empire is a PDF guide that shows you how to make money from the newest NFT games, where you can trade items and characters for cash, or where you can play levels and win cryptocurrencies. The authors show every step of the process with screenshots showing you different games, all the strategies, and incredible amount of tips and tricks. Blockchain Games Empire is a perfect course to learn how to make a lot of easy sales in the world of NFT video games by purchasing and reselling game characters and items, or simply by playing Labyrinth. Blockchain Games Empire is something fresh, a great opportunity if you want to jump on the NFT business from other side, the video games one. Inside the ebook, you will learn how to buy and sell NFTs on many video games and earn free cryptocurrencies simply by playing Labyrinth levels. And the great thing is you need a 20-minute session per week to keep up this business without playing unless you want to do so. Inside the course, Alessandro Zamboni will show you the top 7 games and how to make real profits from their NFTs. All tips and tricks are helpful, and it's a fantastic way to discover a brand new niche like this one. NFT games have nothing complicated once you learn the market rules, the strategies to use, and buy and sell. You can really dominate the niche in one day right after reading the ebook. Is it an excellent course? No one has still presented someone so fresh on the web. Inside you will find a PDF guide full of screenshots and 2 exclusive bonuses. The great thing is the video games NFTs will never stop selling. People love to invest time in games that gives back money. This course is absolutely a gold mine, not only to start but also to run a profitable NFT selling businesses in the world of video games. A lot of kids and young people are becoming rich thanks to video games NFTs because it's simple. You don't have to create nothing. Also, inside this course, they will present you at 3 games and 4 secret ones. In the launch phase, you will discover 7 games in total, with all and how to the step-by-step process for buying items and reselling them, or simply how to play to win big prizes. There is not only buying and selling inside the guide. There is a game where you can play Labyrinth and receive cryptocurrency prizes as soon as you complete one of the infinity computer-generated dungeons. So, what you will learn inside: gaming NFTs and how they are creating new value for video games. Gaming NFTs are the gateway to blockchain mainstream adoption. From the NBA to the gaming industry, the future potential of NFTs. Blockchain and NFTs are turning gamers into investors. NFT and video games. 10 things you need to know about games with NFTs. How NFT will change the future of the gaming industry. Is it too late to the NFT game? Discover how to find interesting blockchain games before they launch. Uncover the best and the most accessible game that is hot right now. Learn about the best blockchain video game ever created, the best combination between blockchain gaming and cryptocurrency projects, 4 additional games to keep under control to easy profit, how to consistently make money from a game and don't enter it when is it too late, how to sell the creatures and items you bought, and all the insidership tips and tricks, and much more. So here in the sales page, This is the hottest trend of the next 20 years. Discover how to earn money with video games without playing and without being a master. All you have to do is buying and reselling items directly on the blockchain. 100% nobody-friendly method. No traffic needed at all, no paid software needed, works anywhere in the world, you can get started in minutes, there is no trouble about competition, it's 100% new and set and forget, only a few easy steps to follow. And if you scroll down, you will see that the sales page talks about the advantage and the futures of this product. And there is 3 steps to trade in blockchain games. Step number 1, decide which game is better for you. Step number 2, buy a creator or a game object. And step number 3, resell it for more. For the bonuses, you will get 2 bonuses. Bonus number 1, blockchain secrets with emerald rights. Discover all the secrets behind blockchain technology, the same technology used for cryptocurrencies, now used by NFTs and soon by many other fields. The bonus number 2 is the secret video. This video will present you the hottest 2022 blockchain video games and why they are so relevant. So you can jump on those or the ones of your prefer and get low price items to resell for more. So blockchain games will be the hottest trends for the next 20 years. Give the blockchain games empire a chance to make you ready to jump in today to reap the early birds benefits. There is no better moment to jump in than now. If you want blockchain games empire, the link in the description below, and for the price is $17 one-time pay and no monthly fees. Besides, this is a limited price and the price may go up soon. So guys, if you want to purchase the product, the link in the description below. And of course, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more videos and reviews like this one, and see you in the next video.